Hey everyone, how you doing? So today we're going for a bit of a motorbike ride through West Sikkim while we wait for our paperwork for North Sikkim to be processed. I've been on the road for maybe an hour now. We've just passed through Singtam and we're heading to Ravangla. Supposed to be a few nice things there to check out, so that should be good. Unfortunately it is raining a little bit today, but that's alright. Got some wet weather gear on, and you know, bit of water never hurt anyone, so yeah, it'll be nice to go and explore West Sikkim, so let's get into it. Wow, so we're still on our way to Ravangla and we're really up in the mountains now. As you've seen, there's this like dense forest on either side, up in the clouds, just weaving in and out of them, and yeah, there's just waterfalls that come down and run over the road. Like, I saw that one back there, and then we got this one here. Absolutely stunning. Down right there, and yeah, this is the new road. Alright, so we're about 3 kilometers out of Ravangla, and yeah, as you've seen, visibility is not good at the moment. I'd say we're down to about 50 meters, and as you just saw, there's still cars and trucks and stuff, but yeah, what a stunning ride. Right up here in the mountains now, just in the wilds. I'll be quiet and see if you can hear all the birds. Amazing place. Sweet, so we made it through the clouds to Rabang La. Stopped off to grab a bite to eat. After here we're gonna shoot out, and there is a big Buddhist statue close to Rabang La. So we're gonna go check that out and then see what happens. It's taken us a bit longer probably than we anticipated. We did end up sort of going on a back road, which is the one you saw. There is the main road that comes up here, but we at some point turned off that, don't know where, but yeah, but it was stunning. What an amazing, amazing ride that was. So, you know, that's the things that happen when you just get out and, you know, do things on your own. So, yeah, not at all upset that we took that road, because wow. But yeah, finish up here and then go and see this big statue. Cool, so we've arrived here at the big Buddha statue. As soon as we got here, we met this lovely Indian family who were traveling here from Siliguri, and they took us up and bought us a tea, and we had a nice chat with them. It's just like everywhere we go in India, there's just always seems to be someone who just to greet you and make you feel welcome. Yeah, it's beautiful. Unfortunately, the statue looks like it's got some maintenance work going on. There's all bamboo scaffolding around it, but the grounds look quite beautiful as well. So we're going to cruise down here to the office, check out how much it is to get in, and we'll probably go and just have a little quick wander around the grounds and maybe go up to the statue. And yeah, because it does look quite spectacular anyway. So let's go. Alright, got my ticket. So the name of the place here is actually Tathagata Sal, which, as a gentleman who bought us tea explained, is Buddha's name. So that's pretty cool. I always just thought it was Buddha, but apparently it's Tathagata Sal. Wow, simply magnificent. So yeah, the statue itself is 41 meters high. I don't know how big the grounds are, but they're very impressive, beautiful. Every thing here just has these ornate carvings, details on it. It's beautiful. As you can see, there is a door behind me that actually leads underneath the statue. I'm not sure what's in there, but let's go have a look. Wow, so that was spectacular. We weren't allowed to take pictures or video recordings in there, but it was amazing. Every wall was covered with paintings of different scenes from the Buddha's life. All around, like the main outside walls, were paintings of the 12 deeds of Buddha, from his conception through to his death. And then you could walk all the way up to the top of the statue, and that was just covered with all these beautiful paintings. So yeah, really, really quite something. Oh, you got his shoe. So I was sitting here waiting for Az, and these two little dudes came on their way home from school. and we hung out for a bit, took some photos, did a bit of karate, didn't we? Attacked my bike with a stick, so but yeah, it was cool. It's always fun. Oh no! Oh no! Whoa! You got me. Cool. So Az and I just had a little powwow, and we'll probably just head back to Gangtok from here. It's about 2:45, and it gets dark at 5 o'clock. So yeah, probably want to head back. Won't see too much in the dark, obviously, and just be good to get back and get ready to head to North Sikkim tomorrow. So yeah, we'll jump on the bikes. May end up going back a different way, so might be some other cool stuff to see. So we'll just yeah, we'll see.